what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to show you guys a brand new credit builder account that just came out that's only $25 a month. And this is a great account to build, especially if you, are looking for something that's low cost, efficient, and, that's going to help you quickly build your credit score. Also, you may have had an account with any other credit builder accounts and you could have been late or those could have been charged off. Things do happen. And those are not the only credit, builders that are out there that have affordable payments. And that's why I want to show you guys this today. So Mission Lane is actually known for, actually having credit building credit cards in general. However, they're not that popular. There's annual fees and all the rest of this stuff. They are trying to keep up with the market and things of that sort, which means they're being more flexible. And I'm very surprised because usually you don't see credit card companies just taking a left turn and saying, hey, let's go ahead and start introducing some credit builder loans. So I'm excited to see how this is going to affect other companies in the future as well that may be interested in adding credit builder accounts as well too. Okay, so with the credit builder account, it says build credit and build credit now, save money for later. Work to build your credit without a credit card, no hard inquiry required. Okay, once you click to get started, it's going to send you to the application here. All right, but of course we're going to keep rolling just so you guys get the information. So 4 easy steps to get closer to your goals. Number one is open your credit builder account within minutes. Applying online is quick and easy. All you got to do is just confirm your identity to start, and you start building credit today. And then you set aside $25 each month. What does that mean? Every month you pay $25 towards your loan to save for future use. Obviously, that's going to improve your credit score, right? So pay on time for your payment history to be positively reported to all three major credit bureaus. This is huge because they already have that relationship with all three credit bureaus. So they're most definitely going to be sending it to all three credit bureaus. Then next, you're going to unlock your savings. So you complete your full 12-month plan to gain access to your $300, okay? And so here's the thing, guys. How are you building credit? Well, your payment history is reported to all three major credit bureaus every single month. Make on-time payments. Making on-time payments can increase the chances of your credit score going up, while late or missed payments could lower your score, obviously, right? Payment history has a significant impact on your overall credit score. Making payments on time is an important factor in increasing your score. Late or missed payments could lower your score, as well as opening a new loan could negatively impact your score as well, too. So keep that in mind, guys. Anytime you open an account in general, is going to say, hey, this is a brand new account. Your score may actually drop the first month or so, okay? And that's normal. But again, it's going to bounce back because you have plenty of time to make those monthly payments, okay? And of course, you're saving over time. When you open your account, the money from your loan is deposited into a secured savings account. For 12 months, you repay your credit builder account loan. Once you fully repaid the loan, you can unlock your accrued savings, okay? And since it's underwritten from a bank, your savings are FDIC insured. Unlock your account savings after successfully repaying the loan. And if you end your plan early by either choice or account closure, you'll be able to access the funds that you've repaid up into that point, okay? So it's $25 a month. There is no monthly fee, no a 0% interest rate, 12 months, 12 payments, and that's going to equal $300 a month, guys. Then some of the frequently asked questions is, how much will my credit score increase? Well, it's kind of hard to say, but since everyone's credit profile is unique and credit score models vary, we can't determine if or how much the credit builder account could increase your credit score. For example, even if you're paying your account on time, and activity from other accounts, payment history, delinquencies, bankruptcies, public records could impact your credit score. Keep in mind that if you already have a credit score, opening a new loan could negatively impact the score, as we just mentioned, okay? What if I can't make the payment? Well, you can request for your credit builder account to be closed. Since the account activity is reported as a loan, any missed or late payments may negatively impact your credit score. If we deem your account to be in default, then we'll close your account. Can I pay off the account early? Yes. You can always pay off your account early without a penalty. Keep in mind that doing so will lower the number of payments reported to the credit bureau. Since your payment history has significant impact to your credit score, this could impact the positive effect that the credit builder account could have on your score. Completely paying off your loan does not automatically result in an approval for a Mission Lane credit card either, okay? And then, of course, there's some other questions as well. Is the credit builder account? Very good question. So the credit builder account is currently available in Alaska, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, New York, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Tennessee, Virginia, and Wisconsin. Okay, so sorry, guys, if your state is not on here, but don't worry, guys. Of course, to get more information, just click the link right at the top here. I got it. Let me see if I can zoom in on that. Okay, yeah. So either way, the link is right here at the top, guys. And then, of course, once you click on Get Started, you'll be able to fill out the application and you should be good to go. As a reminder, it's a soft pull. It will not affect your credit score. Okay, guys? So, of course, if you like this video, like it. You want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.